except for the whole character of the area will be changing. There's an impact, but it's like normal. That's like life.
It's inevitable. I mean, personally,
Most amazing experience at Glenview Hotel. Dogs running around. It's such fun. Yes, Dave. Nobody else here, but it's fun. What are you two doing? Whoopsie. Ruby's going to fall over here. What is going on here? Lily, we're having fun. Who's here? Oh, it's windy in Glenview. It's raining. The dogs are upstairs. Oh my goodness. Are you there, Dave? What are you doing? Are you there? You're the only one at the oh, there comes Monty. What are you doing, Monty? You're running away from Millie. Where's Millie? Chasing you now. Millie's chasing Monty. It's a blustery day, yo. Yay.